Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to enable double tap to turn screen on in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, you can see the gestures and motion. Okay, go to gesture and motion. And okay guys, here in gesture and motion, okay, you can see the screen off gesture on the top. And okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, here in screen off gesture, okay, you can see the screen off gesture switch button on the right side. Okay, you'll have to do is enable this and to see the menu of the screen off gesture. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to enable double tap to turn screen on in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, okay, you can see the double tap to turn screen on, and on the right side you can see the switch button. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled double tap to turn screen on in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, we can try it. Okay, go back. And okay guys, we can turn off the screen of the phone of Oppo A5s. And okay guys, we can try to enable the screen by double tap the screen. Okay, and okay guys, we have successfully enabled the double tap to screen on in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.